Today we're going to connect your Android phone via Bluetooth to your new Taycan. There are a couple different ways in which you can connect your phone via Bluetooth to your new Taycan. You can do so via phone or devices. For the first part of this video, we're going to select phone, and you're going to start search. On your mobile device, you'll swipe down and then swipe down a second time, and you'll see the Bluetooth icon here. Now you'll see the phone pop up on the screen. Select it. There will be a pair request on your mobile device. Check that the numbers match and select pair. Would you like to allow access to contacts? At your choosing, select allow. Would you like to use Android Auto? Select yes. Would you like to allow access to messages? Select allow. Your device is now connected via Bluetooth to your new Taycan. You can also connect your Android device through the Devices menu. Select the Devices icon here, connect new devices, connect new phone. On your mobile device, you'll swipe down once and swipe down a second time. Select the Bluetooth icon. On the PCM, you'll see the phone. Select it. On your mobile device, there will be a request to pair. Check that the numbers match and select pair. Would you like to allow access to contacts? If you choose, select allow. Would you like to allow access to messages? Allow. If you would like to connect to Android Auto through this device, you can select yes. You've now connected your Android device to your new Taycan through the Devices menu.